Chrome is slowing down your PC. Disable these settings to enjoy your computer and run faster. Chrome is one of the most used browser on PC with so many features, but sometimes is the reason your computer is running slowly. If you take a look at what's on the screen, these are what is running on my computer, even if your Chrome is enabled or is running or not. So here in this video, I'll give you some settings that I need to put in place so that Chrome will stop preventing your computer from running very fast. These are what you need to do, guys, if you are a Chrome browser users. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that your Chrome browser is fully up to date. Then click on it to open it on your device. Once you open Chrome browser on your device, you have something like this. Now go to the three dots here, click on it. Then scroll down to the base and click on settings. Once you click on settings, come to this side and click on system. Once you click on system, the first thing you have to do is to take a look at what you see under system here. Make sure that this button is turned off. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. If this button is turned on, even when your Google Chrome is closed, then check this place. You see that Chrome is running, and if you click on this button, you see that every pages you have here, Chrome will be running on the background of your device, thereby preventing your device to run smoothly and slow down your PC. So to enjoy the best from this, make sure you click on this button to prevent background running on your Chrome when you clone your Chrome browser, and this will show up that with this, guys, you'll be able to see that your system will run at faster rate because the Chrome extension or the Chrome performance has been taken away from this. This is one of the most important settings that a lot of Chrome users ignore. So if you really want to enjoy your PC while using your Chrome browser, make sure you disable that settings. The next thing you have to do is very simple as well. Open the Chrome browser on your device. Now go and click on the three dots again. Scroll down again as you get to the settings icon, click on it. Once you click on the settings icon, scroll down to this side of this place where you see performance, click on performance. Under performance, I would like to scroll down to this button where you see memory. Now let's take a look at this button. If this button is on, then you are good to go, but if it is off on your device, make sure you toggle it on. Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keep Chrome fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. So if your settings here is toggle off, click on it, toggle it on. Once you click on it and it's toggle on, you have three important options here. The first one is moderate, balanced, and maximum. What is under moderate? Get moderate memory saving. Your tab become inactive after a long period of time. As you can see, I have multiple tabs open here. So if I do not open up this tab over a long period of time, then the tab become inactive. So once I click the tab, then it become active again. Then get balanced memory saving. Your tab become inactive after an optimum period. So if you are the type that have a very good laptop with high memory RAM, maybe 8 gig and above, then this is highly recommended for you because it balances your computer and your computer is able to run very fast. But if you're the type that struggle with memory, then get maximum memory saving. Your tab become inactive after a short period of time. I will encourage you click on this one, but guys, because my computer is of high gigabyte RAM, so I will use this one. The most important thing is that make sure that this button is active. So with this, guys, you'll be able to take part in the second part. So with these two settings, guys, your Google Chrome will run very fast. The third thing you have to do is still under the same place. Then open your Google Chrome again on your device. Now go to the three dots at the top of the screen here, click on it. Then scroll down to settings, click on it. Under settings, then locate and click on performance again. So under performance, then scroll down until where you see energy savers. Chrome conserves battery power by limiting background activities and visual effects such as smooth scrolling and video frame rate. So here, if this button is toggle off on your device or on your apps, toggle it on. Now once you toggle it on, you have two important options here. The first one is to turn on only when battery is at 20%. Once you use your battery, or once your laptop is on battery, then and you turn on this button, it means that once your battery of the device is at 20%, the effect kicks off immediately, and this prevents your device to run very slowly and conserve battery for important thing you want to do on your device. But if your computer is unplugged, I mean you are on laptop completely, then I will encourage you use this one so that it conserves your battery from the first point you power on your computer. This makes your computer to run very fast without any issue. But if you are using desktop or you have access to electricity 24/7, then I will encourage you turn on when your battery is at 20%. With this, guys, your Google Chrome will run faster and thereby prevent your computer from lagging, and your computer will run very fast. With these two settings, then you are good to go. Now, under the same place on your device, just scroll down to the place where you see system here. Click on it. Once you click on system, it brings you back to this interface. Now, there's particular settings I would like you to turn on or turn off here. This has to do with you, which is called use graphic acceleration when available. This particular setting or setup is highly used when your computer is lagging. Maybe you are watching a video, you go to YouTube, or you go to YouTube on your Chrome and it's lagging. Then I will encourage you to turn it off, because it has to do with your graphic card and acceleration on your device. But you have dedicated RAM that is being separated for this graphic of 18 on your device, then you don't have issue with this. Because if this button is, you don't have issue with this. Once again, if you discover that your Google Chrome is crashing time to time you open it, maybe you have to do something and it crashes, then go ahead and turn off this button and refresh this. So this will help you fix that, and a lot of users ignore these settings on their Google Chrome. That is why sometimes you find it so hard to use your Google Chrome and you don't have the best from your PC. So if you put in place all these settings, I'm very sure your PC will run very fast and you're going to enjoy more of the Google Chrome. Last but not the least on this process is the Google Chrome extension. A lot of users believe that a lot of users have so many extensions on their device or attached to their Google Chrome. The more extension you have on your Google Chrome, the slower your Google Chrome becomes and the slower your system becomes. So what you need to do is very simple. Click on open the Google Chrome again. Now go and click on the three dots again. Scroll down to settings and click on it. Now scroll down to the base until you see extension. Click on it. Now here, if you have many or multiple extensions here is what you need to do. If some of this extension has not been used for a couple of months, then all you have to do is to do what? To remove the extension. Just click on this remove button, then remove it. That will remove the extension. So if you remove some of the extension you have on your device that is of no use over a couple of months, then your Google Chrome browser will run very fast. It also improves your laptop activities. Your computer will run very fast, or your desktop will run very fast. But if occasionally you use any of these extensions you have on your device, all you have to do is to just toggle it off, disable this button, so that the Chrome extension will be inactive and it will not be running on the background, because each time you open any activities on your Chrome, it always pop up on the background and consume more of the batteries, you can see. So with these guys, aside from taking more of the battery, you see the memory that take about 39% here. You see it takes a lot of memory here. So that is why, guys, you need to put all these settings in place. If you put all these settings in place, I'm very sure that your Chrome browser will stop slowing down your PC once you fix these settings. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please, it's just 1 second and it's free of charge. That's what you can give to me, guys, to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share and drop your comments in the comment section. In that regard, I will see you soon, guys, on my next video.